In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename link in Canva. If you're creating a presentation or a document in Canva, you can easily add and customize a hyperlink. Here's how to do it. First, select the text where you want to add the link. Then click on the More button, the three-dot icon. From the options that appear, choose Link. Now, enter the URL you want to attach and click Done. The text will turn blue and become underlined, meaning your hyperlink has been added successfully. As you can see, clicking it opens the YouTube page linked here. To change the name of this link, simply select the link text again. Click on the three dots, More, and choose Edit Link. A text box will appear showing the current link title. Here, you can change the display name to whatever you prefer. Once you've edited the name, click Done, and that's it. You have successfully changed the hyperlink name in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.